Then there was an Italian case it was a court case against GlaxoSmithKline, and the data was, the information from the Italian case was published online in 2015. It happened earlier, I believe it might have been 2012 when this happened, or 2011. But there were 69 deaths in this Italian court case. GlaxoSmithKline was found guilty and fined, heavily fined, because their vaccine Infanrix was causing, which is I believe it's a 5 or 6 valent vaccine. It's one of these big combo vaccines like we have now in the United States with Pentacell and Pediarix. This one was Infanrix, and it caused 69 deaths in Italian infants, and those deaths were termed SIDS. Well, GlaxoSmithKline, when they put the data together, they looked at the 20 days following the 20 days following the vaccine, and they took all 69 deaths and they lumped them all together in that 20 days. And they said, well, it was coincidence because there's no pattern here. But when the data was actually obtained through something similar to the Freedom of Information Act that we have in the United States, they looked at the death rates when those deaths actually happened, and 67 of those 69 deaths happened in the first 10 days following vaccination. There were only 2 deaths that happened in the second 10 days following vaccination. If it had been by chance or coincidence, then there would be no difference in the first 10 days and the second 10 days. They would have been spread out. But they were fully aggregated in the first 10 days following vaccination. And so that was the evidence that was used to determine that it was actually the vaccine that was causing these infant deaths.